morning, traders. Welcome to StockCast. Pat Derby along with co-host James Mason. James, how are you doing today?
Todd, I am doing well. How are you today?
I'm doing well also. So, the day is here.
No, this ain't the day.
Talking about December 1st, start of the holiday season. We're here, buddy.
Man, I don't know. I should have brushed my hair this morning and brushed my beard.
I thought you were going to change out your ball cap, too. I thought you were going to go Yankees.
Well, we're still technically in old baseball season. But, all right, anyways. Let's talk about what everybody wants to talk about. Predictive Oncology merger news where they acquired a company called Predicta. It has a Z in front of it, though. I guess the Z is silent. But I haven't had a chance to dig into this company for great detail. But if y'all remember the vote back in August and the StockCast show right after when I was telling everybody, yeah, we should vote yes here. I'm telling y'all, there's a deal on the table, guys. We should vote yes. And then everybody voted no. And then I went off on the show. You should probably go back and view that show.
That was a tough day.
Yeah, because this right here is what should have happened then, but that no vote delayed it. That's why I was freaking ranting off. But while I will say that this is not the catalyst, this is definitely the right step moving forward here. And this actually completes the puzzle for Predictive Oncology. What I was saying about them going to be the Amazon and Bio in the future. They're just one step behind what I was actually expecting them to be. And I mean, just comes down or just goes back to that vote. I mean, that's what I was saying. Like, you guys don't realize what you just done here by voting no. So, I mean, we're obviously beyond that vote, and we've moved on, per se. But yeah, that was the significance of voting yes back then. And this deal almost fell through. Actually, I mean, it was pretty much falling through. So where does that leave us? I'm definitely not upset at all. This is a good thing for Predictive Oncology. I just hate that I have to wait longer, but for every action, there's a reaction. And when it comes to business, when certain business decisions are made, and the no vote was a business decision based on retail traders overall, since we held the majority of the votes and the majority of people voted no. That was just a business decision that was made in the moment. And sometimes when the incorrect decisions are made, it causes delays or causes things not to happen. So that's where we stand. At least we do have a deal here. This completes the puzzle for Predictive Oncology to move forward, which now, per my estimation, the next news should quickly be GMP labs and then full-blown commercialization and then big news. So
to be clear, this is good news, but it is not the news we're looking to run this price up to $4 plus.
No, this news ain't gonna push it up.
Yeah, so we got to be clear about that. I mean, Bob did deliver on the December 1st or after Thanksgiving promise, but we're still waiting for And we're up 2.9% today. So, I mean, that's good. And so now we're just waiting for a couple more things to fall into place to get where we need to get.
Yeah. So Derek, no, hold on a second. Okay, hold on. I must be missing part of the conversation. All right, hold on. Let me just run through the comments. Brian, thank you for that tip. Brian, that is true. Hold on a second. I gotta share this. That was probably the most legend StockCast show of all time. That one will probably go into the archives of somewhere. I don't know. That one will probably seal my legacy in one way, shape, or form, whether good or bad. Probably to the bad, but I don't care. Oh well. So Brian wrote, the day you went off was the most watched episode. Yes. I like that, Brian. This is Brian. The Z is silent too. But it actually was the most watched episode for StockCast. I was pretty ticked off that day. Pretty ticked off.
I remember that day.
So, yeah, guys. So in a sense, we're kind of taking a step back to August here and picking up where we should have never fell off at. So hold on, I'm going through the comments right here on YouTube. Yeah, Recan. I don't know why YouTube got rid of the down vote little button. I guess people are just too soft. Todd, why are you so quiet today? You have to take back the Lambo, don't you?
Pardon me?
You have to take back the Lambo, don't you?
I'm not in a Lambo category. No, actually, I was quiet last night. I was. I know December 1st we got the news, but he said before the end of the month, and technically he was late. So, but here we are.
And just for all of you internet SEC attorneys out there, no, there was no material information in any of my emails with Bob. I don't know where y'all got your information or where you passed your bar at online, maybe University of Phoenix or something, but that is
why are you attacking them?
I'm talking about all the wannabe SEC attorneys online, especially on StockTwits. Like, I don't know, I forget all their stupid names. There's like a whole list of them.
Yeah. So, do you want to talk about the rest of the market?
There's nothing else important to talk about.
I know, it was the only thing I saw today was a positive. Was a positive jobs report.
Pre-market sucks.
Yeah, there's literally nothing in the pre-market today. Here we are, holiday time. Yeah, I saw ARDX. It's already started the backside fade, so we might get something out of that, but I don't think there's nothing worth chatting about.
See, ARDX don't they have like a vote coming up or something? I might be getting them confused with another company, but I was thinking ARDX had some kind of merger vote coming up. And again, guys, I could be 100% wrong. about ARDX. Thought I saw someone speaking about that. Hold on, I'm just trying to skim through their news. I don't see nothing off the top. Let's see. I'm just looking at some other things in the market. Man, volume is very light today. Pre-market. Let's take a peek at the overall market. Okay, so Dow futures are up 313 points. S&P 500 is up 55.5 points. Obviously, today is going to be a bullish day, but I do expect the overall market to get rejected somewhere up in here and then just keep rolling over. Hold on a second. Let's see. All right. Everybody wants me to go back to predictive oncology. That's the only thing to care about. So let's just go back to predictive. Can we go back to the comments again?
You don't have your chart up either.
Oh, God. I thought I was sharing my chart with y'all the entire time. That's your job, Todd.
I know. I was dialed in at a couple of things.
Let's see.
Giga shared us another short possibility. So to take a look at SABS.
Hold on, I'm trying to find his comment. Okay. Let's see. Did you really say this is why Giga is on Team Mason right here.
Oh, yeah. All right. James is going to come on and give us a bullish report now.
Yeah, absolutely.
They're both sucking up to each other. He's finally got a fan club.
What did
you just say? Did you just say, ooh?
I said, ooh.
Yeah.
Okay, so y'all can obviously see my daily chart here for ticker SABS. And I don't even know how to chart this thing. I mean, this is
let G-Gut chart it. Let's get him we'll give him a moment to review it and tell us how this is going to work.
Why are you riding G-Gut for? You're mad because it's Team Mason. Everybody's screaming Team Mason.
You can have. He said he's now saying to short it, so it's probably a long.
Yeah, man, like I can't. I'll be honest, I can never play this one in either direction. I don't even know what it's doing. That's the worst chart I've ever seen in my life. Okay, we'll just go back to predictive. All right. So hold on, I'm just reading them. There's so many questions coming through. Just trying to catch up with them. Oh, Derek, to respond to your question, I never finished what I was gonna say to you this morning. I actually started reading in the middle of your conversation. I just had to go and catch up on it. So at first I wasn't understanding what you were saying. So John Stevenson, price prediction for Predictive Oncology today. Probably $1.10. if I'm just going to be 100% honest with everyone, which I'm all in. This does okay. So with predictive right now, this is how I feel. One, everybody's gonna have to make up their mind. I understand that Christmas is literally just weeks away, and this is definitely not how we had hoped for this to turn out. So, while on one hand I am aggravated because we are behind, and it's mainly due to the no vote that delayed a lot of stuff in August. So I am aggravated on one hand, but on the other hand, it is a sense of relief. We are moving forward. This deal was very important, and it does complete the entire picture to where Predictive Oncology can now, once they get their GMP labs finished, I mean, they can full-blown commercialize, and they don't need anybody else, which is very cool. But there are still other things that should be taking place. I think to answer the questions on how far do I believe we're behind, anywhere between 1 month to 3 months. And again, guys, like, I just need to be, honest with y'all. You guys deserve that. Which, I haven't BS'd you on this at all, but guess what I'm really saying is, I know everybody wanted this thing to hit the moon today, and when I saw that news come up about merger, I was like, why are my alerts not triggering for the price spiking up? Because I was actually driving back from Chick-fil-A at the time, and I was like, man, this thing blew through all my alerts. This thing's probably at $6 now. I come back and it was at like $1.02 or something. But yeah, this news is definitely not going to cause us the moon right here, but it does complete the picture to where Predictive won't need anyone else moving forward. And it does put them in a more powerful position overall as a company and with their product and with their entire plan. So that does put me at ease, but the one big thing is, man, tired of waiting. So it is what it is. The penny flippers will definitely be trying to penny flip this. But
that's their prerogative to do that.
Yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much all I have for today. Let's run back through the comments, see what we got. Hey everybody, you guys can, if you want, you can type in the number 1 into the comment section to rate Todd's performance for today. Todd is definitely dropping the ball. What it is, Todd probably feels guilty because he probably voted no. Isn't that right, Todd?
No, it's not true. It's not true at all.
Let's see. Bryce brought up a good one. Everybody's been talking about ticker AGC. So I've been seeing everybody talk about AGC, and I have not even kept up with this at all. I haven't looked into it. So I really don't know what's going on here, but this daily chart looks horrendous if you're a bull. But they have, I always find this weird. So it's being reported that they have 50 million shares outstanding, with the float being 50 million shares. And held by institutions, 91%. That data seems off, seems odd. All right, so AGC, this literally just looks like it's just bouncing here. I don't really see any news. Hold on a second. Okay. So AGC is probably the one that I was talking about, where they had that vote for like a merger or whatever. I'm seeing something off the popular news. So it wasn't ARDX. I believe it was AGC. So again, guys, I haven't fully dug into this. I've just been seeing people talk about this. So catalyst-wise, like I don't know what's going on with that vote in AGC, but from a technical analysis standpoint, I mean, we do have a decent bounce from yesterday, but at the same time, I mean, if you got in at the lows yesterday, I would definitely honor a stop here. And when I say honor a stop, depending on your average, me personally, I would not let this thing go below 1311. So let's pull back the daily chart. So here we are at 1311, and pre-market we're at 1354. So we could just be experiencing that bounce based off of whatever that vote was with the company. I don't necessarily know if this is that news, whatever they're voting on, is going to cause this to run, but this overall chart does not look good at all. So just keep that in mind. Can't tell you what to do, but if I was you, I would definitely honor a stop loss. And if you have to get back in later, there's nothing wrong with getting back in later. Let's see, hold on, I'm running through the comments. Okay, hold on, Rebecca. Rebecca writes, if only someone knew who started the entire vote no movement in the first place. Hey, I will say it 100%. I started that movement, and rightfully so, because you know what? And not Rebecca, I know you're just joking, by the way. It got their attention. It got our voices heard. It's just an end when I was preaching for weeks. Like after I had my meeting with them, and I started telling everybody, hey guys, it would benefit us to vote yes here. You know, they do have things in the works. And then everybody else is just like, no, I still feel like voting no, because this has not made me $5 a share yet. I was like, no, you don't understand what's going on. This is what's happening. And then afterwards, so many people were either like, yeah, I voted no because of X, Y, Z. I thought the price wouldn't go down. And I was like, no, the price absolutely would drop. And then a lot of people were just like, oh, I didn't know that my vote would matter. Yes, your vote matters. Your vote will always matter unless if it's in the United States election.
You're about 3 minutes. You're about 3 minutes away.
All right, so we'll go ahead and we'll end it on that note right there. I'm still all in on predictive. My average is $1.14, and obviously I am upside down on that, but not by much in terms of PPS value. So we'll see what we get moving forward in it, and just have to take it from there. So other than that, remember guys, trade safe, trade smart, and we will catch y'all in the next one.
Have a good day, everyone.